everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your ma'am, Achal ma'am from New Era Global School. So first, start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. He Sharade Ma, He Sharade Ma, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. तू स्वर की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे. हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. मुनियों ने समझी है, गुनियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की बानी. हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा, मुकुट सर पे साजे. मन से हमारे मिटा के अंधेरा, हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ. हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. ये जो प्रेयर थी वो थी गॉडेस सरस्वती, मतलब सरस्वती माता पे थी. राइट. नाउ रब योर हैंड्स, put them on your eyes, open your eyes, and now you will relax. Okay, so today's session we start with our daily conversation. Right. So first हमें क्या करना चाहिए रोज? Take a bath every day. Take a bath every day. Then brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Then comb your hair regularly. आपको क्या करना है? अपने hair को comb regularly करना है. Right? Then wash your hand before and after meal. हमें खाने से पहले और खाने के बाद में क्या करना है? हैंड वॉश. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज हमें सैनिटाइजर का यूज नहीं करना है. जब तक पॉसिबल हो हमें घर पे तो हैंड वॉश ही यूज करना है. हाँ, अगर हम कहीं बाहर गए हो तो हमें सैनिटाइजर का यूज हम कर सकते हैं. राइट. देन प्रे टू गॉड. हमें गॉड को रोज सुबह उठ के प्रे करना चाहिए. राइट. जैसे कि हम अभी क्लास वर्क होमवर्क के पहले करते हैं. राइट. सो हमें रोज सुबह उठ के गॉड को प्रे करना चाहिए. नाउ phonic sound time. So what is the phonic sound of letter O? O says O. O says O. So shall we start our today's phonic sound? Okay. A says A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, W, X, Y, Y, and Z. What is the phonic sound of Z? Z. So phonic sound is done. Now activity time. Are you all ready for activity? Let's go. So our today's activity is in English. Our today's activity is to हमें क्या लेना है? क्ले. यस, today we play with clay. So now here I have yellow color clay, blue color clay, white, pink and orange and green. Okay, so shall we start our today's activity? So first, yesterday what did we learn? कोई मुझे बताएगा कि कल हमने क्या सीखा था? Yes, yesterday we learned how to write small letter Q with quill, right? So today we make letter Q with the help of a clay. So first take a clay, then roll it like this. Okay, then make a curve, then take another clay and make a standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Now joint here like this and then take another clay. Take a white clay and then make a small slanting line. We make a letter Q. We make a letter Q. Which letter Q is this? Small letter Q. Yes. So today we revise letter Q. Small letter Q. Now we make capital letter Q. So how we make a capital letter Q? Take a Play-Doh, make a circle, then roll it. First, then roll it like this. And make a long strip. Make a long strip. Sorry. So now our roll, मैंने जो roll करके बनाया, our strip is ready. So हमें क्या करना है? वो strip से we make a circle. We make a circle. So first हमें क्या करना है? Circle बनाना है. Then we take a yellow clay and we make a slanting line and Q says Q. Q says Q. So in today's activity what we done? We make a small letter Q and we make a capital letter Q. We make a small letter Q, and capital letter Q. So today's activity is done. Now classwork time. So kids, yesterday what did we learn? Yesterday we learned how to write letter Q in worksheet. Page number 25 and 26. Page number 26 half page is your homework. Hope आप लोग ने homework किया हो. So now today's classwork is in English textbook. Today's classwork is in English textbook. Page number 70 and page number. Today's classwork is in English textbook, page number 70, and our today's classwork is also in English worksheet, page number 28. Yes, our today's classwork is in English worksheet and our today's homework is in English textbook. Full page is your classwork and half page is textbook. Half page in textbook is your homework. So shall we start our today's classwork? So first, let's revise letter Q. Okay, today's classwork is in English worksheet. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया. So first we revise letter Q. And what is the phonic sound of letter Q? Qu, 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 Q. So capital letter Q, small letter Q, and Q says qu, 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 qu. Quilt यानी रजाई. आपको पता है विंटर सीजन में रजाई and blanket, right? We use rajai, we use quilt and blanket. And what is the difference between quilt and blanket? जो quilt होता है उसके अंदर हम कॉटन डालते हैं, मतलब रजाई. एंड जो blanket होता है वो किसका बनता है? वूल का, right? So quack, 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 quilt, quack, 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 queen, quack, queen, queen यानी रानी, queen यानी रानी, quack, 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 white, white यानी जब आप लोग घर पे मस्ती करते हो तो मम्मा बोलती है ना white place, so quack, quack, white, quack, 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 quill, quill तो आप लोगों को पता है right, feather, and quack, 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 quill. Quack, 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 quill. So now classwork time. So first trace and write the alphabet Q. Which letter Q is this? Capital letter Q. In all the boxes, in proper line formation with pencil and speak aloud. So first of all write CW, and are you all happy today? So make a smiley. Now we start with pink line. So first in two lines we trace the letter blue. Trace the letter Q. Trace the letter Q. Okay. Now make a half curve, other half curve, and this line slanting line. Q says quack. Half curve, other half curve, slanting line. Q says quack. Half curve, other half curve, slanting line. Q says quack. Half curve, other half curve, slanting line. Q says quack. Now our first trace part is done. Now again trace the circle, then slanting line makes the capital letter Q, and Q says quack. Q says quack. Okay, कैसे हमें करना है? First we make a half curve, then other half curve, then slanting line. Half curve, other half curve, slanting line. Now our trace part is done. Now writing time. We start with pink line. First we make a curve, then other curve, then we make a slanting line. Start with here and end it here. Slanting line. Q says quack. Q says quack. Quack, quack, white. Quack, quack, quill. Quack, quack, queen. Quack, quack, quick. Half curve, other half curve, slanting line. Q says quack. Half curve, other half curve, slanting line. Q says quack, quack, queen. Quack, quack, white. Again start with pink line and end with also pink line and slanting line. Q says quack. So our classwork part is done. Now homework time. It's our today's classwork is in English worksheet. So write classwork CW and date. Parents please guide your children. जैसे कि हमने classwork किया, full page is your classwork and page number 71, half page is your homework. So write HW here. And how we write a letter Q? Pink line. We start with pink line. We make a circle and slanting line. Q says quack. Q says quack. So our today's classwork and homework is done. Hope you like our today's classwork. So today's classwork and homework. CW page number 28 in worksheet. Homework page number 70 and 71 in textbook half page. Okay. So now our today's classwork and homework is done. Enjoy your awesome